Welcome to this side of the radio. My name is Shane, and I've got a really cool radio from Retevis with a Welcome to this side of the radio. My name is Shane, and today I've got a really cool FRS radio with a Welcome to this side of the radio. My name is Shane, and today I've got a handheld radio from Retevis, the RB28. Welcome to this side of the radio. My name is Shane, and I've got a new radio for you from Retevis that's got a really cool function that I think you're going to like. Let's check it out. All right, what we've got is the Retevis RB28. Now this is an FRS radio. It's not, no licensing or anything is required. 22 channels, 122 subtone codes, and 38 of which are analog and 83 of which are digital. Now one thing I really like about this radio is its size. It's super compact. It's got a 1500 milliamp hour battery. There's the weather function, which we'll get to in just a minute, which is one of my favorite things about this radio. I put this in standby mode and it was on for 2 days before the battery started to go down on it. But you've got your volume up and down buttons, you've got your menu select button, you've got the push to talk, and then you've got, of course, the power on the side. This radio is loud, by the way. You should not have a problem hearing it. What's really cool about this is the weather function. To get to it, you just simply hold down this key.
Afternoon, sunny.
And there you go. You have 11 of the National Weather Service frequencies, but you also have the ability to set the alert to go off. So if you're out hunting, or if you're out camping, or if you're out hiking, and the weather changes and the National Weather Service puts out a bulletin, then this radio is going to go off and it will play that message for you. I've had this radio for about 2 weeks now, and a couple of times I just left it sitting on the counter with the weather alert on, just like I would any other weather radio, and the battery stays up for almost 2.5 days, just sitting up there. So no problem if you're out on a hike, if you're going, if you're out camping. You need that just a little bit of added security. You know, maybe you're in an area that's prone to severe flooding or flash flooding, and there's an alert that goes off for that. Well, with this radio, you'll have it.
So I'll put you out on my patio so that I can give you an idea just how loud this radio is. There's cars passing by, and I think I just hear a neighbor down there that is also getting home from work, but you should be able to hear this thing fine. This is turned up to max volume, and man alive, when I turned it on inside the house, it was screaming loud. But great radio, man. Great build quality, what can I say? So yeah, let's get back in the house and I'll give you some final thoughts.
All right, the RB28, I like it. Really decent, great radio, great build quality, 1500 milliamp hour battery life, the weather function. The radio itself is, if you're not gonna use the communication side of it, the weather side of it is worth the radio itself. But thanks for sticking around. There's gonna be another video pop up right here, and there's a playlist that's gonna be down here of some other things that I've reviewed. Thanks for the likes and all the subscribes, and thanks for sticking all the way to the end, because in the comments section down here, put the word weather, and I'm gonna give these radios away. So thanks to Retevis for sending these over to me, and you guys have a great day. 73, we'll see you on the next one.